Hello guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to this session. It is page 21. Here is also a reading, and I have written all the new words and probably the difficult words here. The first word is an extinction. Repeat after me. An extinction. An extinction. Incorrect. Species. Species means guna. Okay, not this guna. Okay, this one is check, but this one is species. Face. Face can be noun, can be verb. If you use face as a noun, it is face. Okay, but if you use it as a verb, it means روبرو شدن. Scientists. 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 Exactly. 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 Exist. 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 Planet. Planet. Identified. 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 Botanical. Botanical. Predict. Predict. Forest. Forest. At this rate. At this rate. AD equals Anno Domini. Anno Domini. When you see AD, it equals Anno Domini. It means efficiently. Efficiently. Rhinocrosses. 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 H is silent here. RH. Disappear. 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 Pollution. 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 Deforestation. 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 Tropics. Tropics. This one is I. Tropics. نواحی گرمسیر. Agriculture. Agriculture. Fuel. Fuel. Kill. Destroy. Damage. Decide. Little known. Little known. Little known. K silent. Threaten. 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 Insects. Insects. Vulnerable. Vulnerable. آسیب پذیر. Depend on. بستگی داشتن، وابسته بودن به چیزی. Substance. Substance. Natural fertilizer. Natural fertilizer. کود طبیعی. And pesticides. Pesticide means مواد حشره‌کش. مواد حشره‌کش. Okay, now open your book and come to page 21. This one is a long passage. I hope you read it carefully and learn and also memorize new words. So now listen to me and listen carefully. I'll read it thoroughly. Conservation and urgent need. Conservation and urgent need. An urgent need مگنیازی ضروری. Millions of animal and plant species face extinction. Millions of animal and plant species. میلیون ها گونه حیوان و نباتات با انقراض روبروست. Scientists still don't know exactly how many animal and plant species exist on your planet. They guess that there may be between 5 million and 30 million. Only 1.7 million of them have been identified and described. In January 1989, the director of a famous botanical garden in the USA predicted that during the next 30 years, man will cause an extinction of an average of 100% animal and plant species every day. This is a yearly average of about 36,500 species. If extinctions continue at this rate, there may be almost no animal or plant on this planet by the year 2200. Anno Domini. How could this happen? How could this happen? There are several reasons for this. One thing is that man often hunts and fishes too efficiently nowadays. For example, fishermen hunt whales from factory ships, and hunters of elephants and rhinoceroses have even used helicopters and machine guns. As a result, these animals are all in danger of disappearing. Another reason is pollution, aludagi. Pollution of the environment. Animals need a clean environment. Environment means muhit, yeah. But we have been polluting the rivers, seas, and land for over 150 years. However, the main cause of this extinction is deforestation in the tropics. Tropical forest دشت‌ها صحرا cover only 7% of the Earth's surface, but they are the home of between 50% and 80% of the Earth's species. Many tropical countries are cutting down their forests very quickly. They are doing this in order to create more land for agriculture. They also need the wood for fuel and for building. However, they are killing trees and plants, and at the same time destroying the homes of many animals. This is a big problem in South America, in parts of America, and some Asian countries such as Philippines. Sometimes man means to do something good, but he damages his environment by mistake. By mistake means اشتباهاً. Okay? An example of this came from South America. There used to be a bird which was found in only one place in the world, near a lake in Guatemala. One day, scientists decided to introduce a new species of fish into the lake as food for human. The new fish ate the bird's food sources, and by 1987, these birds had all been made extinct. It is not just the elephants. Most people know that elephants, tigers, and rhinoceroses are endangered. در معرض خطر هست. However, millions of small and little-known species, گونه‌های کمتر شناخته شده, are also threatened. Threatened means تهدید شده with extinction. یعنی تهدید میشه با انقراض، نابودی. Insects, حشرات and plants are especially vulnerable. آسیب پذیر هست as their forest home are destroyed. وقتی خانه صحراییشان خراب میشه. We must not forget that each of these species depends on many other for its survival. Survival means بقا، زنده ماندن. Got it? This one is survival. When one disappears, others may lose an important source of food. Moreover, man can learn from plants and insects and use them to improve his own life on his planet. Wild plants, گیاهان صحرایی, for example, contain substances that can be used to make medicines. Can be used میتونه استفاده شود to make medicines تا دوا بسازیم. As well as natural fertilizer کود طبیعی and pesticides و مواد حشره‌کش. Is there a solution? Solution means راه حل. Got it? This one is solution. Is there any solution? What can be done about the problem? We cannot reintroduce the species which have already disappeared. ناپدید شده. However, it may not be too late. Late means there to start protecting محافظت کردن. Protecting some of the creators بعضی از موجودات را and plants which are still with us but which are endangered. All over the world, conservation is an urgent need. در سرتاسر جهان حفاظت از محیط زیست یک نیاز ضروری هست. Okay, thank you, dears. Read this passage and then turn the page. There is also some question. You have to solve them. You have to answer them true, false. Okay. For example, there is a statement. There are about 1.7 million animal and plant species on your planet. Is it true or false? If it is true, okay, write T. If it is false, write if. And then identify its line, in which line it is in the paragraph, in this passage. Got it? So, the next part is all the words that I have written here. Okay, deforestation, I told you, had the jangalat, and this in is a prefix. Prefix is pishwand, okay, a word or a group of letters that is used at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Put into or get into, for example, in danger. Danger means khatar. In danger, to be in danger. Got it? Yeah, fertilizer, I told you, substance that farmers put on their land to make plant. Okay, I have written the meaning here. Forest, Sahara, dashed. Guatemala, it is a country in Central Asia. Gan means asliha. Okay, so machine gun, okay, a gun that shoots very fast. Okay, the second one is insect. I have written insect here. Insect means hashara. Let me find that. Yeah, insect means hasharat. Planet means sayyara. And also prohibit means mamnu kardan. Okay, the opposite of allow means ijaza dadan, to give permission. Re means again. It is also a prefix. Okay, for example, reintroduce, rewrite it again, once more. And shoot, okay, shoot means to use a gun. Got it? This one is called shoot. And also threaten means tahdid kardan. Okay, a tiger is a kind of animal, you know, and there is its picture. Tropic, the hot regions of the world. Manatiq garamsir. Okay, tropical. So it is the adjective of what? Tropic. Able to be seen. Visible is what or something that you can see. Okay, this one is what? Visible. Whale. So whale is a sea animal. حیوان دریایی است. The largest animal on the earth. Okay, not a fish. It is not a fish. It is a whale. So mostly we said whale as well. And here, next page 25. So this one should be your homework. Okay, do it at home. Write the sentences and filling the blanks with these words in the box. Okay, there are some words. Okay, use these words accordingly in this blank space. Yeah. So after this, we talked about yes, no question. You know that you have to review it. I told you yes no question is a short question that is used at the end of what? A statement. It is mostly used for confirmation. Okay? You expect to hear yes from the person. So you have to, it is a kind of review, it is up to you. And the next one is had been done. It is also past perfect tense passive voice. Okay? I have been seen. Look, I had been seen. I had been seen. Look, this one is the passive voice. You had been seen. They had been seen. He had been seen. She had been seen. It had been seen. Got it? This is what? The past perfect tense passive voice. So you have to try hard to review and also think about it and make some examples. It is also another review, have been doing and have done. Do you know the difference between have been doing and have done? Have been doing is past, present perfect continuous tense, but have done is present perfect tense. Okay, these two tenses are used for what? For to express the duration of time. And next day, inshallah, we will talk about this one. Okay, and we'll talk about the differences and also about the structures, and we will work on it and make some examples for that. Okay, yeah, that's all. Have a good day.